YouTube. So today I'm going to do a tutorial using the Urban Decay Get Baked palette from Sephora or Ulta, wherever you buy your Urban Decay products at. And I used all the eyeshadows in the palette. I used a different liner, but you're more than welcome to use that liner if you want to. And I used a different base, but you're more than welcome to use this base. So this is the look. And I hope you guys like it. Stay tuned if you want to find it. Okay, so I've already primed my eye with my concealer, and if you have a concealer that's too light or too dark, this is a perfect way to use it up if you can't find any other use for it. So I just put that like I would Beauty PP. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take half base, and I'm going to get on a crease brush, just a little bit. And I'm going to pop this into my crease just to make everything easier to blend out. Then I'm going to take a small eyeshadow brush, this is on your CakezCreations brush, and I'm going to go into flip side, which is this turquoise. And I'm going to apply it to the inner half of my lid. And just pat it in. Urban Decay eyeshadows are really pigmented. They're really nice. Then I'm going to take Bake with the other side of that brush. Just flip it over. I need to wipe mine off. And go into Bake. And I'm going to apply that to the outer half of my lid. Once again, just packing that in. And then when you get to this point where you need to blend it together, just move the brush back and forth into the two colors to blend them together. Then I'm going to go back with the crease brush that I used to apply the first color, and I'm just going to blend these colors into the crease so that it all looks blended. Next I'm going to take, I'm using a concealer brush from EcoTools because I like the little point on it, but you can use a blending brush for this step if you want, or any crease brush. And I'm going to go into Twice Base. This is a very, very nice chocolatey brown color. And I am going to define this outer V and create depth in this look. You can see what I'm doing. And you just want to like apply most of the color here. The phone ringing. And sorry, you want to put the brush down here and then sweep it in and like lighten up your hold on the brush, like so that most of the color is concentrated right on this outer part. That's all I'm doing. So as I'm going in, I'm lifting that brush up, so most of the color is right on this outer part. And I'm going to take a little bit of the eyeshadow onto the point of this brush. Mine is a little smush from the way it dries, but I like that. And then I'm just going to apply this color to the lower lash line. Only half. Just connecting the two. And you can use, like I said, a smudger brush for this. You can use like a pencil brush or any small crease brush. For my highlight, I'm going to take a little bit more of my concealer, and I'm just going to dab it a very little bit underneath my eyebrow, and just blend it with my finger. And you don't want to put too much because you don't want like your face to look cakey or anything. Now I'm going to line my eye. I'm going to use L'Oreal Carbon Black Linear Intense. everyone on YouTube is raving about this stuff, so I decided to give it a try. I don't love it, I don't hate it. I'm going to try and do this on camera. It's hard for me to do my liquid liner on camera, so I'm going to try. And just line your eye. I usually don't wing my liner out, but I decided to do it for this look. And I start in the middle and slowly just work my way in. And you can line yours as thin or as thick as you like. I line a little. Now I'm gonna take my mascara. I'm using Buxom Lash, and I'm gonna apply mascara to my top lid. And I'm gonna do 2 coats of this. I love this mascara. It's so amazing. So before my second coat, I'm going to go in and line my waterline. I'm using a Wet n Wild pencil. And it's a kohl eyeliner in black. And I'm going to go ahead and line my waterline. And now I'm going to go in with the second coat of mascara. And I'm also going to put some on my bottom lashes now. And there's your completed eye look. Okay. For my face, I don't have on any foundation, blush, or bronzer. I just have a little bit of this Stila illuminating powder in bronze. And on my lips, I'm going to wipe off some of this Carmex. And I'm going to use Fresh Brew from MAC. This is my favorite lip color. And on top of that, I'm using Love Nectar. And I love these two together. And this is the final look. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.